Hey guys, what's going on? I want to take a look at Vechain, and I'm currently on the weekly time frame. It's been a while since I did a video because I was traveling. I went from Canada to Greece to Dubai, and now I'm in Thailand. So yeah, I was pretty tired. So now I'm settled in. Time to get back to the charts. And the first one I want to look at, Vechain, because it seems to be pumping today. They finally got added to Coinbase, so I think that is the catalyst for the move up, but it also coincides with some technical levels on the chart that I want to discuss. Before I get into it, though, a couple things. If you want an exchange to trade VeChain and pretty much all the other coins that I talk about I'll put a link to the one I'm currently using in both the pinned comment and the description. Also, depending on your location, you may need a VPN to use it, so I'll also link to a VPN, a promotion on a VPN as well. Okay, so as I said, I'm on the weekly time frame, and in the previous VeChain videos that I've done, I've given you guys a macro overview of the price history. So just to go over that very quickly, if you want to trade VeChain, I recommend that you draw this horizontal level on your chart right here. This level is very significant, and just draw it at the top of these two candles. So I have it at around 0.02212. Okay. And also you see that this retracement took the form of a falling wedge. And this is a bullish reversal pattern, and eventually we did break to the upside, as statistically that's more likely to happen once you come to this apex right here. So you'll see that when we broke to the upside, when we came back down, we retested the horizontal line that I just recommended that you draw. So you see this was support for a very long time here, for months, right? The price would come down. By the time the weekly candle closed, the buyers would step in and defend the level. So we had all the support all throughout right here. So this is, for me, this is like the bull bear line, right? So if we're able to start closing a weekly candle above this horizontal line at around 0.022 cents, that's a big indicator for me that it might be time to take longer swing trades on VeChain. But currently, right now, the price is situated well below it. So once we broke down here, we made lower levels of resistance. Most notably would be this downsloping level of resistance, which is what the price is contending with right now. So I'm going to change the time frame, and let's look at this on the daily. And yeah, this candle is a result of the Coinbase news, I believe, and that brought us right up to where we are right now, which is just underneath this diagonal level of resistance where we have 6 touches on. This is a 7th touch of this downsloping resistance line. And to no surprise, considering where we are forming a potential reversal candle. So we're putting in a doji right now. So this candle is quite new. It hasn't closed yet, but we'll see how this plays out. But yeah, VeChain currently right now is at a quite a significant level of resistance. Now it's interesting to note that where we got this bounce, it coincided perfectly with the 786 Fibonacci retracement level. So you look at this wick come down right to it exactly, and then we bounce right off of it with this huge bullish engulfing candle. So in order to get this level, all I did is I took a Fibonacci retracement tool. Here, I'll show you. And I ran it from the swing low up to the swing high. So it's right here. And this right here at the bottom of this wick, and then I just move it up to the swing high here. That gives me these levels. So you see the golden pocket range was holding for quite a long time. Eventually we broke down and we came right down to retest this 786 level, which is also where we had this cluster of support right here as well. So it's pretty interesting how the news coincided with the technical levels so perfectly. But yeah, right now at a resistance level, I personally wouldn't be buying this. Now I hold a lot of VeChain for the long term, just left over from the last bull market. I didn't get it all out in time, unfortunately. So I have incentive not to tell you to short, but if I'm being honest right now, I would say this is a potential setup for a short position. So let's see what kind of risk reward we can get if we took this particular entry right here. So let's take our short position tool, current price around 16 cents here, place a stop loss just above this wick on this candle right here. So we have this level of resistance coinciding with this downsloping level of resistance. We place the stop loss just above that. And the level I would target, I would be very conservative with this, and I would target just the previous support and resistance level right here. So here's what it would look like. Entry where we are right now, take profit right here at the top of this, right? See, this level was support all along here. We broke it and then it was resistance. So it makes sense that once you break a level of resistance, the price kind of comes back and retests it as a support. And so yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if the price did come back down here. So this is where I would place my target. And this particular setup would give me a risk reward ratio. It's not even good. It's 1 to 1.39. It's likely high probability, but the risk reward level isn't that great. We would risk 2.50% to potentially get 3.47% to the downside if the trade plays out. Now, a better R&R entry would be if we're just patient with it and we wait and see if the price comes up a bit. That way we can get our entry price a little bit higher. So up here, this would be better. So if we're able to enter up here, if the price comes up, this would give us a risk reward ratio of almost 1 to 3. So 1 to 2.92, risking 1.51%, and then to potentially gain 4.41% if the price does come down here. So this would be a better entry for me. And let's take it down to the smaller time frame. So yeah, for a better R&R setup, you could potentially wait until the price makes another push up around here, and that would be a more ideal area to enter your trade. Okay, so now I'm going to change the chart, and there's something else I want to show you on the monthly time frame. Okay, so I've already mentioned that based on the weekly time frame, the significant level that we want to break, here I'll show you once more, is going to be based on this horizontal level that I recommend that you draw, and that's around 0.02211. Okay, so if we start closing a weekly candle above this, again, as I mentioned, that's a cue to look for longer swing trade positions on Vechain. However, to the downside, the most significant level of support that I'm seeing is based on this monthly time frame. So you see how this level right here, where I have this horizontal level of support, this is where the candle bodies are closing. So the wick will come down, candle body closes above it. Again, right here, candle body closed above it. Here, we got a wick down, sold off. By the time the monthly candle closed, candle body closed above it, and we're seeing the same thing right here. So 4 months, we have 4 months of price confluency right around this level. So I just moved this the support level right up against the candle bodies here. So this level is 0.01572. So seeing how accurately the price is respecting this level, if we do get a candle body close below here, that's going to be a major sign of weakness for me, and I may favor short positions in that case. Okay, so moving back to this chart, that's just a brief summary on Vechain. Bounced off a technical level. We are just below a very significant level of resistance. I recommend you draw this level on your chart if you're trading Vechain. And if this level breaks, where's the next level of potential resistance that I would look to, the next target? Let's go to the daily time frame for that. So if we're able to start closing even actually a daily candle above this level here, this diagonal level of resistance, and this current horizontal level of resistance as well, daily candle close above here, next target's going to be right up here, and that's going to be 0.01769. So right up here, and to get that target, it's going to be just take a horizontal line and draw it right below these candle bodies here, and that also coincides with the 382 retracement level from when you drew the Fibonacci tool from the swing low to the swing high. So this is going to be the next target. If that breaks, then this one right here, 0.01895 is going to be the target after that. Okay, so these are the targets to the upside. We have a current level of resistance, a potential short opportunity, and if you take the short, not financial advice, but this is what I would do if I took the short. I would wait for the price to come up just a little bit more so I can get a better R&R, and my conservative target to the downside would be just right here at the top of these candles. All right, guys, that's a summary for Vechain. And once again, if you're not subscribed, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all so you get notified when I release these new videos. Now that I'm done traveling for a while, I'll try to get these videos out more consistently after the week-long break that I just took. Also, if you want to trade this, links are in the description and the pinned comment. All right, guys, take care. Have a good day. Bye.